Hi, this is Bethany with Remax Connection, and I just want to show y'all some land that we're fixing to list on Pinola Braxton Rd. There's roughly 12.5 acres here, and it adjoins another 12.5 acres that has a log home on it. The owner is going to list them separately, but if you wanted to buy the whole 25 acres, he'll make you a heck of a deal. So this is the land. And be sure to look on the website, and I will give you some more information about it and do an overhead picture. This is just another view of the land over my shoulder. There is an area out here where you could easily build a pond. It's not fenced right now, but it'd be a great place for cattle, or if you wanted to build a house, there are places where you could build a home.